Hello, I'm Geoff from GC2 Photo Club, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add and apply a watermark using Lightroom. First of all, click on Edit up the top here, or Lightroom if you're using a Mac, then scroll down and click Edit Watermarks here. In the Watermark Editor dialog box, click here for a text watermark, then choose your font and style here. In this case we'll use the preset Myriad Web Pro, and we'll also use the preset Regular. You can align your text by clicking on one of the buttons here. In this case we'll use Center. Type your text in this box here. Then click in this box here to choose the colour of your text. In this case I'm looking for a red, so over here, and click outside the box to close it. You can click in this box here to add a drop shadow to your text. Use these sliders here to control the opacity, offset, radius and angle of your shadow. Let's scroll down a little bit. You can control the opacity of your text here. In this case I'm going to leave it on 100%. You can change the size of your text by using this slider here. Let's bring it up a little bit bigger. You can move the text from side to side or up and down for precise placement using these sliders here. Or you can click on one of these buttons here to anchor your text to the bottom right, or in this case bottom center. Use these arrows here to rotate your text like so. Let's leave it at the bottom there. When you're happy with your finished watermark, click here where it says Save to bring up the dialog box. Give your new preset a name. Then click here where it says Create, and your new watermark will now be ready to apply to any photograph on export. To bring up the export dialog box, click on Export here, and if you scroll down to where it says Watermarking, tick or check this box here, and if you click here and scroll down, you'll see that your new text watermark is ready to be selected here and applied to any photograph on export. If you want to create a new watermark preset, click on Edit Watermarks here to bring up the Watermark Editor dialog box again. If you wish to add a graphic watermark, click on the button here to navigate to your graphic watermark. In this case we're using Lightroom, so I'll use a Lightroom badge. Just double click and your new graphic watermark will be applied down here. You can drag on these corners here to change the size of your new graphic watermark, or scroll down and use the sliders here. You can also use the opacity slider here to take down the opacity a little bit. Let's take it down to here. When you're happy with your new graphic watermark preset, click Save and type a name for it in the box here. In this case Lightroom batch, then click Create, and it is now ready to be applied to any image on export, just as your text watermark was before. That concludes our look at how I use Lightroom's Watermark Editor to create a new text or graphic watermark preset, and then use the export dialog to apply it to an image or images. Hope you found that tutorial useful. Please go to our website gc2photoclub.com for more videos and information. I'm Geoff from GC2 Photo Club. Hope to see you again soon.